In our last video, we explained product attributes and how they provide valuable information to customers and help them make an informed decision about which product to purchase. What are the three basic types of product attributes that you need to make registered sellers aware of while they add products to their online catalog? Moving on, we will now explore catalog creation guidelines. The catalog of a product has various sections like images, titles, key features, product descriptions, and frequently asked questions. In this video, we will learn about these different sections and the best way to use them to maximize sales. To begin with, there is the product title. This is the header a buyer or customer sees when they are browsing a catalog on the display page of a product. So why is it important to create a relevant product title? To understand this, let's observe a typical buyer's purchase journey. It starts with a buyer searching for a product in a buyer application. The buyer then browses through tons of search results. A prominent element in each search result is the product title. A good product title will grab the attention of a buyer and determine if a buyer clicks on a seller's store or product to complete the purchase. How does one create an effective title? A good title will include a combination of a few or all of the following elements: the brand or maker name, the product name, the product ID or model, the critical features or attributes of the product such as color, size, gender the product is suited for, style, a USP, etc. Another important element of a product title is the product type. Is the product a casual shoe, a t-shirt, a burger, or is it some kind of wheat? The selection and the arrangement of the elements will vary with the category. Typically, a title creator should select and align the elements that give the best representation of a product. This is to assure buyers that their search results are aligned with what they are searching for. Here are a few sample product titles. In the grocery category, let's assume we have wheat as a product. The attributes or elements selected by relevance here are product name, which is Atta, the brand Ashirvad, its feature whole wheat, size 10 kgs. The suggested title in this case is Ashirvad whole wheat Atta, 10 kg bag. In the fashion category, we have shirt as a product. The relevant elements selected could be Peter England, the attributes being gender, which is men, the fit slim fit, and color white. The suggested title for this is Peter England men's slim fit white shirt. In electronics, if we take a smartphone, the relevant elements are the brand, which is Apple, the model, which will be iPhone 12, with the key features being the color, which is in this case black, and the storage, which is 64 GB. The title for this would be Apple iPhone 12 Black 64 GB storage. There are a few things sellers or product title creators need to keep in mind when writing a product title. 1. Avoid words which do not add value. 2. Avoid spelling or grammatical errors. And 3. Don't force fit information. Rather, pick only relevant and critical information. So, what other aspects of catalog creation do you need to know to make sellers aware of? You should tell sellers about the importance of highlighting the key features of a product. These are the selling propositions of a product or a brand. Think of it as a sales pitch a seller makes to a buyer. Here are a few recommendations which a seller can select as per the requirement of a product type or category. Features valued by the end user for a product type. For example, in apparel, it could be 80% cotton, 20% polyester, machine wash. In food or grocery, it could be the ingredients, the calorie content, whether it's vegetarian or non-vegetarian, etc. Other important features to be highlighted could be size range, colors available in, garment care, etc., years of warranty or guarantee for the product, or free services, if any. A customer care contact number of the brand if available and required. In the case of appliances, sellers may have to include installation details from the manufacturer with brand contact details if available and required. It is advisable to keep the key features of a product limited to 4 to 5 bullet points. If a product has more selling points, highlight only the most important ones. Okay, let's recap what we learned in this video on catalog creation guidelines. We touched upon different sections of a product catalog, including product title, product types, and various elements, best practices, and other guidelines to be followed by sellers while creating an online catalog. In the following video, we will continue the catalog discussion where we will cover the importance of product images on a product page. A key factor in every purchasing decision, one that decides whether a buyer will press the Add to Cart button in your store or not.